During the Late Cretaceous period, approximately 68 to 66 million years ago, the landscape of what is now North America was dominated by one of the most formidable terrestrial predators to have ever lived, Tyrannosaurus rex. Towering over the plains and forests, T-Rex was not only the apex predator of its ecosystem but also a powerful force shaping the environment and manipulating the evolutionary trajectories of both its prey and competitor species. Understanding the reign of T-Rex requires us to look beyond its massive jaws and teeth, delving into the intricate web of ecological relationships that define the world it ruled. At the very top of the food chain, T-Rex held a position few creatures have ever recovered. As an apex predator, it faces no natural threats from other animals once mature. This unique status gave it a critical role in maintaining the structure and balance of its ecosystem. By preying upon large herbivores such as Triceratops and Edmontosaurus, T-Rex helped regulate the populations of these animals. This, in turn, prevents any single species from overwhelming the landscape and consuming all available vegetation, which could have led to ecological collapse. The very presence of T-Rex sent ripples through the ecosystem, its hunting patterns shaping the behaviors and evolutionary adaptations of its prey. Herbivorous dinosaurs living in the shadow of T-Rex developed a suite of strategies to avoid becoming its next meal. Some, like the horned Triceratops, evolved formidable defenses, sharp horns, sturdy frills, and massive bodies capable of withstanding an attack. Others, such as the hadrosaurs, rely on speed, agility, and herd behavior to reduce the likelihood of falling prey. The ever-present threat of T-Rex exerted selective pressure, favoring individuals within prey populations who were better able to evade detection or defend themselves. Over generations, this arms race between predator and prey drove the evolution of new traits and behaviors, fundamentally shaping the diversity and resilience of the ecosystem. But T-Rex was not the only carnivore stalking the late Cretaceous landscape. Other theropods, including smaller tyrannosaurids and dromaeosaurids, also carved out niches for themselves. Yet, the overwhelming size and power of T-Rex meant that it exerted a competitive dominance over these other predators. This forces them to adapt in different ways, either by targeting smaller prey, scavenging, or operating in different habitats or times of day to avoid direct competition. This phenomenon, known as niche partitioning, allows multiple carnivorous species to coexist, each specializing in different ecological roles. The dominance of T-Rex thus influences not only the lives of herbivores but also structures the communities of other meat-eating dinosaurs, ensuring that resources were utilized efficiently and that no single predator monopolized the ecosystem. The impact of T-Rex, however, did not stop with direct predation or competition. Its presence initiates a cascade of indirect effects that rippled through the environment, all the way down to the plant life. By controlling the populations of large herbivores, T-Rex indirectly shaped the vegetation patterns of its habitat. Areas with fewer herbivores experienced less grazing pressure, allowing certain plants to flourish and sway the overall structure of forests and plains. This phenomenon, known as a trophic cascade, highlights the profound influence apex predators can have on their environments. The extinction or removal of such a predator can cause dramatic changes, leading to overpopulation of prey species and the subsequent degradation of plant communities. Scavenging was another important aspect of T-Rex's ecological role. While it is often depicted as a relentless hunter, there is evidence to suggest that T-Rex, like many modern predators, also scavenged carcasses. By consuming dead animals, T-Rex contributed to the recycling of nutrients in the ecosystem, breaking down large bodies and making nutrients available to smaller scavengers and decomposers. This role as both hunter and scavenger ensures that energy moves efficiently through the food web, supporting a diverse range of life forms. The reign of T-Rex also shaped the landscape in more physical ways. As one of the largest terrestrial carnivores, its movements may have opened pathways through dense vegetation, creating clearings, and influencing the distribution of smaller animals. The remains of its kills provide food for a host of other organisms, from small mammals and birds to insects and microorganisms. In this way, T-Rex acted as an ecosystem engineer, modifying its environment in ways that benefited a multitude of species. Ultimately, the story of T-Rex's dominance is a testament to the interconnectedness of life. Its role as an apex predator illustrates how the fate of one species can influence the destinies of many others, from the largest herbivores to the smallest plants. The evolutionary arms races it sparked, the competitive pressures it imposed on rival carnivores, and the cascading effects it triggered throughout the ecosystem all underscore the importance of top predators in maintaining the health and balance of natural systems. Even millions of years after its extinction, the legacy of T-Rex continues to captivate our imagination and inform our understanding of ecology. By studying its reign, scientists gain valuable insights into the dynamics of ancient ecosystems and the enduring importance of apex predators in the modern world. The lessons learned from T-Rex remind us that the loss of top predators can have far-reaching and sometimes unforeseen consequences, altering the fabric of life itself. Thus, the reign of T-Rex was defined not just by raw power, but by the profound and lasting impact it had on its world. Its presence shapes the evolution of prey and predators alike, maintains the balance of plant and animal communities, and leaves an indelible mark on the history of life on Earth. In understanding the ecosystem impact of T-Rex, we come to appreciate the delicate balance that sustains all life, both then and now. If this journey into the world of T-Rex fascinated you, give the video a like. Subscribe for more amazing prehistoric insights. Share this with fellow dino lovers, and let's keep exploring the wonders of Earth's ancient past together.